Today, we're going to be making a rain garden. A rain garden is like a funnel because it gets water collected from the street and the roof into the rain garden. Our streets are like streams. Water flows on them into storm drains. A rain garden is also like a sponge because it absorbs water. A sponge is also like a rain garden because it is a habitat. Like many little sponges, it's the plant roots that do the work. Native plants have really deep roots. Common plants in rain gardens are purple coneflower, anise hyssop, and black-eyed Susans. They're all native plants, and they are wildlife habitat. Thank you for coming to my cooking show.